Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add some JavaScript to your code.org weblab project. So first of all, I'm just going to start by renaming my project here. This is a blank document, a blank code.org weblab file, and I'm going to rename it my first JavaScript. I'm going to save that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my index.html file, and I don't have any information in there at the moment, so I'm just going to add a h1 just for demonstration. And close my h1. So now I can see the display over here on the right hand side in my preview. In code.org weblab, the way that you have to script JavaScript is basically by adding a script tag. Open tag and close tag within the HTML document. So this area here between your open script and close script tags is going to be the area that you're going to add all of your JavaScript content. So basically the way you do it in weblab is you just set up your tags. I'm going to set up a separation here, and I'm just going to call it like a wall, and it's just an analogy so that you can see the difference between the two files. So I'm just going to put in a comment here. You have your comment in, you have your HTML above that comment, and you have your JavaScript below that comment, and that's just an analogy to show the difference between the two. In other IDEs, so if we weren't using code.org, if we were using Glitch or some other IDE, then it would be possible to script it and pull it in as an external file over here on the left hand side like we do with our images and our CSS, but code.org doesn't let us do that. Other websites would let us open our script, close our script, and then just get the source for our script, and you would literally be calling it from the left hand side into the right hand side. But code.org doesn't let us do that, so we're not going to worry about it at all. Other IDEs like Glitch might use that system, so if you're looking online and you're trying to figure out how to put JavaScript into your website, this is the only way we could do it with code.org. So we have our HTML on top and we have our script underneath. Thank you.